Hi, we're McGill LunarEx Robotics, and today we're going to demonstrate our autonomous software. So we weren't able to use it at the competition because it wasn't quite ready, but we worked on it all year, and now we want to show it because we're pretty proud of it. So the first thing we do is we rotate around for 60 seconds so that our LiDAR, which is our sensor at the front there, can build a map of the whole arena. This map is useful for two things. One, to get our position throughout the run, position and heading. That's something we didn't write. We got it from an open source package bundled as part of the robotic operating system. It's a package called Hector Mapping, and it's been really useful. The other thing we can do from these laser scans is find the corners of the arena, and those corners are helpful to get a frame of reference in which we can send intermediate destinations that the robot will travel to during the run. So now we've done our rotation, and we're crunching that map to find the four corners. So just in a couple of seconds, the way that works is we get a huge point cloud from laser scans, and we try and find which lines would best fit the walls of the arena. So luckily we know the dimensions of the arena, so we can find the walls on that map, and from the walls we get the corners. That's what's happening now. Usually takes about 30 seconds. Now we have the corners, and we're ready to start going to the mining area. So off we go, traveling through the obstacle area. It's a small angle correction to make sure we're very precise. We got to our first goal, and now we are ready to start turning towards that way and excavating. So what should happen is that the robot's going to stop facing that way. It's going to lower itself. The auger is going to start, and we'll be digging. We won't go too low because we don't want to damage anything. So what happened here is that we're in mining mode. So we're in the mining area, and we had a really small linear motion to do, and the auger went on because for any linear motion in the mining area, we want to be digging. That's something we might calibrate later on. Now we're coming back to over there. So we followed the same path back. And now we've filled up our bucket, and we're ready to go back to the starting area and dump it all into the lunar bin. So that's what we're doing. We're off. We should end up halfway halfway across this the arena width here. That's where the bin will be placed. So we'll go quite close to the wall and then rotate and back up, lift the bucket and open the door. Right, so from here, spend 10 seconds lifting the bucket and then back up for about 4 seconds, which is something we have to calibrate later. And so once we're fully backed up, we open the door and the regolith flows and flows and flows. So yeah, that's about it. We're really excited to try all this the competition next year. Seb worked on it all year with me, and yeah, thanks for watching.